సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను ఈరోజు ఈ ఫంక్షన్కి స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ అంజలి గారికి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాము. ఒక మంచి కాజ్ గురించి ఆమె ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us are here for a small evening, a small gathering, a small function. బట్ ఇదికి మెసేజ్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంది. Nothing is more important in this world than human life. And human life gurunchi, whether it is traffic, whether it is drugs, whether it is other bad habits, ఇది ఒకటే ఇండివిజువల్కి రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ కాదు, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీకి రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ కాదు, ఇది ఒక సొసైటీకి కలెక్టివ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఉంది. Some small child unknowingly may cross the road in a hurry and he may get hit by a vehicle. A small child, we cannot blame them, but we have to blame the system. It is our failure collectively that we have not created that awareness. ఈ రోజు మీ అందరూ ఇదే అవేర్నెస్ కోసం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. And the awareness, every day it has to continue. Chala big cities lo, number of death on road is more than number of death because of murder and other crime. Idi oka chala serious issue. India lo ante national highway lekapothe expressway lo kuda meeru chudandi. Any accident, that means compulsory it will be fatal because of high speed. Modern technology lo anni fast moving vehicles vastundi. 8 o'clock. So ఇది చూడండి ఎంత మంచి సౌండ్, ఇది సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బెల్. ఫ్రమ్ ఎ ట్రెడిషనల్ బెల్ టు మోడర్న్ డిజిటల్ బెల్, లైఫ్ హ్యాస్ మూవ్డ్ సో ఫాస్ట్. సో వెన్ లైఫ్ హ్యాస్ మూవ్డ్ సో ఫాస్ట్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి ప్రొటెక్టెడ్. అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఎ సన్ టెలింగ్ ద ఫాదర్ దట్ wear helmet, wear seat belt is not enough. Culture of law abiding citizen, that is the strength of any country. A good child who is taught the basic value and culture of law abiding will be a great asset to the country. Once he grows up or once she grows up, whatever she will do will be good for the country. ఒక వర్డ్ ఉంది మోడర్న్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో, హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్ డెవలప్మెంట్. సో హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ ఎ రిసోర్స్. అండ్ హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్ అంటే ఇండియాలో 130 crores. వీఆర్ ద రిచెస్ట్ కంట్రీ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫార్ యాజ్ హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్సెస్ ఇస్ కన్సర్న్. సో ఈ ఒక స్మాల్ స్టెప్ for a big journey, and that is why all traffic farishtes ki particularly nenu chala thanks cheptunnamu. Your contribution is beyond any measurement. You do not know how many lives you have saved by creating the awareness, and that is why I really compliment all the traffic wing, all the officers under the leadership of Additional CP Traffic Anil Kumar, that tirelessly they have been working 24 hours, whether it is the monsoon flood, whether it is the winter December, or now the summer April, May, June. They are always on the road to see that you are safe and your near and dear one are safe. I am really grateful that Miss Anjali is here. I have a lot of regard and respect for the movie world of India. Reason that this is one of the field in which we are perhaps next only to Hollywood. No other country can match the strength, the depth of the movie world which India has. And the sensitivity with which all the producer, directors, actors, they read, they analyze the characters which reflect each one of us. It requires real creativity. And I am also happy that now, these days, police is reflected in a better image. Earlier, police was mostly villain in the movies. Now, police are also heroes. So that's something very good. That is the changing image of police department. And I will request Anjali Garu that whenever she gets a chance, she must play a role of a lady police officer.
Sir, I just did one.
You did one? Which movie?
It is called Nishabdam, but I played an NRI cop in Seattle.
NRI cop in Seattle. Very nice. That's nice. I will see that movie then. Okay, sure. And why I am saying this? Because as a lady, when a lady cop is seen on the screen, particularly in country like India, it conveys a very strong message. Because our department traditionally is seen as a male department. And that is why Telangana government is one of the first government in the country to make a rule that every new recruitment, 30% will be women officers. And now, when you go to any police station in Hyderabad City Police, in Hyderabad limit, you will find that we have special care, special room, special facility for all women officers who are working with us. And as far as professionalism is concerned, there is no work which a male police officer is doing which a women police officer cannot do. They are equally trained, equally motivated, equally strong, and equally professionally solid. So I once again thank each one of you for taking your valuable time for this good cause, for the society, for the city, and for our country. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.